Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Testing by me, Apsara Samreen. Please do like, subscribe, click on bell icon.
Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing very good. Here I have a question, very popular interview question. It's a 90s questions you can say, because when I attended the interview as a fresher or as an experience, I faced this question. Check whether the number is prime or not. So here we'll follow some steps everyone. Like we will see what is the prime number definition. I know everyone are aware about it. Then we will go with the flow chart and then we'll do analysis. We'll try to get the output on the paper without doing any program. Once we are confident about it, then we'll go with the program. So let's get started with this. Okay, so first of all, we'll go with the basic definition of the program. Yeah. So what is prime number? What is prime number? A number which is having two factors, one and number itself is known as prime number. Correct, everyone? We are aware about it. So factors meaning is what? Like example, let's say number 4. Your number is 4. In one table, we will check whether this 4 goes or not. In two table, we will check 3 and 4. Maximum is up to 4 only. So we need to check whether your 4 is exactly divisible by 1 or not, 2 or not, 3 or not, 4 or not. So wherever it is divisible, that number we will consider as what? Factors. So if you take 9 or let's say 7, this 7 goes in 1, it doesn't goes in 2, not in 3, not in 4, I guess not in 5, 6, it goes directly in a 7. So if you see here, for a 4, you have 3 factors. In one table, 2 table, 4 table. In 7, you will be having like 7 goes in one table and 7. So for 4, the factors count is what? 3. And for 7, the factors count is 2. So a number which is having only 2 factors, 1 and number itself, that is 7. So that number we called it as what? Prime number. And the number which is having more than 2 factors, that number we called it as normal. It's not a prime number. Got it, everyone? So hope you guys understand what is prime number. Prime number means a number which is having 2 factors, 1 and number itself is known as prime number. So if you are getting more than 2 factors or less than 2 factors, that number we will not consider as a prime number. So I think definition is clear. Let's see how we will try to write the logic of this one. So I always suggest everyone, do not go directly in writing coding. Coding is simple. We have many websites. You can go and copy paste and you'll get the output. So our main intention, we have to understand the logic, not the memorizing the code or copy paste the code and execute. Okay. So first we'll understand the logic here. So here the logic is, see, a number which is having 2 factors. So first of all, let's find out factors of a number. A number is going, it is how many times it is divisible in which table, that we have to find out. After getting the factors, let's count and then we'll see. If the count is 2, then we'll consider as a prime number. Otherwise, it is not a prime number. Okay. So first, we will write a logic for finding factors. Finding factors. Then second, we'll count. And third, we'll decide whether it is prime or not. Got it, everyone? Okay. To make it simple, let's draw a flowchart. I know it's very boring, but always remember that the boring things will teach you something. You are the beginner, so let's waste the time in a good way. So let's draw the flowchart first. Okay, so let me share the screen with you. Yeah, so let's draw a flowchart. First, start. Let's start. Second, we'll ask user to enter number. Here you can use a scanning logic in your code, or you can directly set your number. Let's set the number directly. N equal to 4. Any number you want to take, you take it. Next, after that, I'm taking starting initially starts from I equal to 1 because I want to start my table, like I want to check from one table to the given number. I want to check in one table 4 is there or not. In two table it is going or not. In 3, in 4. I will not check 4 in 5 table or 6 table or 7 table. I'll check only up to the given number. That will be my maximum number. Okay. Now I will always make sure my I value should not cross maximum, that is your number itself. So here I will write I should be always less than or equal to n. And this is a condition. Condition will have only two answers, true or false. So if it is a true, I will check another condition. If it is a true, I will check another condition. What is that another condition? I have to divide. I have to divide n with I. N with I. Now, I have used here some percentile symbol, which is also called as modulo. It is used for division, everyone, to get a reminder. Like you are dividing a number, but you are not concentrating on the quotient. You are trying to get a reminder. Why? If reminder is 0, if it is equal to 0, that means it is exactly divisible. And here which we want, like if it is exactly divisible, we consider as what? Factor. Now, if it is exactly divisible, condition is true, I'll say display I. Display I, your number. If condition is false or true, I need to go and check the number. I need to repeat the procedure. So let me just finish this flow chart. First, we are asking a number. Second, we are checking the condition whether our number should not cross the range. Then we are dividing each number with, like your number with I, each and every value of the I. And then if it is divisible exactly, then we are displaying because that is our factor. If condition is true or false, if condition is true or false, I need to increase I value because I need to go and check the another number. So a very small little box I'll write here. And then in that I'll do I plus plus. And then I'll repeat the same procedure. If condition is false, I'll stop the procedure. But right now I'll not stop because I need to check whether how many factors I got. So we will continue the flowchart. Hope you are following everyone, and you are finding any difficulties, you can message me. You can give a comment. I'll immediately get back to you. So let me just draw this one. I know I'm very bad at diagrams, so just bear with that. Our main goal is to understand the logic. Okay. And let's see. If condition is true, it goes down. If condition is false, if condition is true or condition is false, we'll do I plus plus, and here if condition is false, that is a different logic. Okay, let's see whether we are getting the factors or not. Remember, the flowchart is incomplete yet, but we'll do analyzation and we'll try to get the factors first. So here I'll be writing, let's suppose your number n equal to 4, right? Your number is 4. And I equal to how much? 1. And control comes down. Substitute here I value 1 less than or equal to n value is how much? 4. Condition true. If condition is true, what you have to do? You have to divide your n. N means what? 4. Modulus I equal to 0. First, you have to divide your 4 with I. I is what? 1. So how do you divide? Like suppose like this. Like I'll show you for one thing. Here, you will take your 4 and divide with 1. 1 4's 4. Remainder is 0. So this modulus operator will give you what? Remainder. So here you are getting 4 modulus 1 is 0. 0 equal to 0. Condition true. If condition is true, you are displaying on the screen I value. So let me write it down here separately. Our output. Output is what? 1. After condition is true, control is going up and it's doing what? I plus plus. I value is what in the initial? 1. Now the I value reaches to 2. 2 less than or equal to 4. Condition is true. Again, you have to divide 4 modulus 2 equal to 0. 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4. Again, you will get a reminder what? 0. 0 equal to 0? Yes, if it is true, on your screen, again it will display what? 2. After that, again you have to do what? I plus plus. So your I value reaches to 3. 3 less than or equal to 4. Condition true. 3 modulus 2 double equal to 0. Let me divide this one. I'll take the thick one. Okay, let's see. I'm again dividing your n. Your n value is what? 4, right? Let me just erase this one. And taking my n value is what? 1 second. N value is 4. Modulus I value is what? 3. So you have to divide your n value, that is 4, with 3. 3 ones, 3 ones, 3. And when you do the remainder, you will get what remainder? 1. Got it, everyone? So your remainder is 1. So here, 1 equal to 0. Condition is 1 equal to 0. Condition is what? False. If it is false, if this condition is false, everyone, it is going directly for I plus plus. It will not print anything. So now your I value is 3. After I plus plus, after increment, I will become what? 4. 4 less than or equal to 4. Condition true. Again, you divide n, that is 4, with I, that is 4, equal to 0. Obviously, everyone knows like 4 ones 4, remainder is 0. So you will get what? 0 equal to 0. condition is true. If it is true, on the output screen, it will print I value, that is what? 4. After that, again I value will increase to 5. 5 less than or equal to 4, condition is false. And it is false. I'm not doing as of now anything, but you can check on your screen. You got 3 factors. Your 4 goes in 1 table, 2 table, and 4 table. Got it, everyone? So we got the factors. A number which is having 2 factors, one and itself, that is known as prime number. So first we focused on what? Factors. So we got the factors. Factors for 4 is 1, 2, 4. We got the factors. Now let's write a logic for counting how many factors we got. Okay, just let me clean these things. Erase. So I hope everyone are understanding here. Anything which you feel difficulty, please free to ask the question. I'll be replying for them and I'm happy to solve your problems. Okay, and coding is not so difficult, everyone. Until unless you won't try, you feel it's difficult only. And once you start learning the subject, loving your subject, what you are doing, then it becomes so easy for you. Okay, let's see. So I am assuming my sum because I have not yet started, right? I have not calculated. So I have not yet calculated the counting. I have not calculated. So I'm giving my factors count equal to 0. Okay, factors count equal to 0. And now whenever I found a number like exactly divisible, a factor, I'll increase this factors counter plus plus. Example, let's suppose there is a bag. Inside that bag, you have some golden balls and some red balls and a blue balls. So I'm saying that please count how many golden balls are there or blue balls are there or red balls are there. So before counting in your mind, what is the answer? 0. So when you put your hand and you're picking up one golden ball, you say, okay, golden count is 1. Blue count is 1. Blue got 2 times. Count is increased. So similarly here, whenever you get a factor, I'll increase the factors count. Oh, I got 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Later, if I got another factor, I'll say 1 plus 1, 2. Or 2 plus 1, 3. I'll increase the counters like that. So let's see. So I have increased factors plus plus. After that, once the condition is failed, I'll increase the factors count. I'll display the factors. Display factors. After that, I'll check if factors count is 2. If factors equal to if factors equal to 2, it's a prime number. If not, it's not a prime number. It's a prime, otherwise it is not a prime. And in both the scenarios, we need to stop the process. Let me write down. So hope you are understanding, everyone. It's a prime and not a prime. And here I stop. Let me stop in both the scenarios. If condition is true, if condition is false. Hope you guys understood this one. Got it, everyone? So I think we have done. So let's count all these things. So in the first place, we got one factor. So our factors count becomes what? Factors equal to factors plus means 0 plus 1. Answer is 1. Second time also I got. So here the factors count will become 1 plus 1, 2. Here we are not getting any factors. So here is getting, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So total factors is what? 3. 3 is equal to 2. False. So then it is not a prime number. It is not a prime number. Finally, we got an output on the paper. I know it's so boring. It takes time, but believe me, everyone, when you do this analyzation part, you will get next level of confidence. You will understand where you are doing. So you can observe that in my video just now I did a mistake here. Like in a flow, I just wrote something 3 by 2 or something like that. But actually it is 4 by 3, right? So when we do the analyzation, you will come to know where we are doing the mistake, where is the problem in the logic. So please try to understand all the logics properly. See, our main aim is to understand the language, logics. You will get this program anywhere in the website. You just copy paste and it will execute and it will give you a successful answer. Our aim is not to get a proper output. Our aim is to understand the logic and implement on our own. So it takes time, everyone. Everything won't be happen in a 1 day, 1 hour, or at the end of this video. I'm not sure whether you will understand or not, but we can try. We can give ourselves a chance to do the practice. Got it, everyone? Hope you are understanding and enjoying the video when you are practicing. Please comment me wherever you have a doubt. Okay. So we finished what is prime number. What is prime number? A number which is having two factors, one and itself. The number itself is known as prime number. So for this one, we come up with the approach. First, we'll find out the factors. Second, we will count how many factors we have and decide whether it is a prime or not. For that, I have drawn the flow chart. The flow chart is telling what? First, take a number that is n equal to 4. Start from 1 and end up to 4 because I need to check from 1 to 4 table. Example, your number is 7. I need to check from 1 table to the 7 table. 7 times I need to repeat. In each table, our number should exactly divisible. If it is exactly divisible, that we called it as a factor and increase the factors count. At the end, we'll check if the factor count is 2. It's prime. Otherwise, it's not a prime. So simple it is. Please try to use pen and paper. Do it on in your notebook. You will understand the logic for sure. Guarantee. Okay. So the last step of this one is what? Doing the code. Very simple. In 2-3 minutes, we can type it very easily. Let's get started with the coding. Let me share the Eclipse. Okay, I hope it is visible to you. Let's get started. So I have to right click, new class. The class name I'm writing prime number. So you always write your class name uppercase, do not write lowercase. It gives you warning. According to the naming convention rule of Java, always class name should be uppercase. If you still write, it gives you warning, but there is no impact on your output. Okay, but it's good if we follow the rules. Prime numbers. And I'm checking public static void main. It will generate for you and click on finish. Classes here. Double click this one so it will expand the editor. And if you want to remove this comment, you can remove. First step. In our flowchart, what is the first step? Enter n value. So I'm not using any scanner class. If you want scanner class video, please comment. I'll make a video for that. So as of now, we will directly set our input. Int n equal to 4. Done. what I said, I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 4, I means your n, I plus plus. Got it, everyone? So here, things are repeating. So what you have to do? Just write for loop we will use when you know the range, when you know the starting value, when you know the ending value. I know the loop will start from 1 and ends by n. So we will write down here int I equal to 1. I less than or equal to n. That is your 4. I plus plus. Updation, whether condition is true or false. When you get the reminder, it has to do an I plus plus. Open and if round brace n modulus I relational operator double equal to 0. If condition is true, open the body system.out.println. There is a shortcut SYSO control space display I. Let's run this program. This will give you factors. Control S, right click, run as Java application. And you can see the direct output 1 to 4. See, the same output we got when we do the analyzation. System is doing very fast, and when we do the analyzation, it takes 2-3 minutes extra. But see, when you do analyzation, you'll get a confidence where you are going a mistake, you'll come to know. That is the importance of the analyzation and flowchart. Okay, we got the factors. Now what I did, I assumed int factors count equal to 0. Whenever I am getting a number, like whenever this condition is true, whenever I'm getting a factor, I'll say I got 1 factor. So I will write here what? Factors plus plus. It will increase. Okay. After the for loop, I'll write system.out.println in double quotation factors count colon plus factors. The way you want to display, you display, but variable should be always outside the double quotation. Let's run one more time to see factors count. Run as Java application. Count is 3. Now let's write a logic to check. If factors is equal to 2, system dot out dot println number is prime, else number is not a prime. Simple. See, first we find the factors, then we counted the factors, then we are checking whether our factors is 2 or not. If it is 2, then it's a prime number, otherwise it's not a prime number. Just do right click, run as Java application, and you're getting number is not a prime. Let's see, here we'll add 7 here. 7 goes in one table, 7, 1, 7. 1 into 7 is 7. When you divide, remainder is 0. In 2s, it won't go because 2, 3, 6. Remainder will be 1 when you divide with the 7, like when you divide 7 with 2. In 3, no. In 4, no. 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7, 1, 7. Remainder is 0. So you got 2 factors, 1 and 7. So it's a prime number. Let's check it out. Right click, run as Java application, and answer is here. Hope you understand everyone the logic. I request use pen and paper, draw the flowchart, draw the analyzation. I tried for 4 number, you give for 5, 6 and do the analyzation. When you do the analyzation, you will get first confidence. You will come to know where you are doing a mistake. Once you are good at logic, last preference, you please give for coding. then you will enjoy the coding part. You feel it's easy. It's not so tough, everyone. Believe me, it's not so tough. Okay. All the best, everyone. Please try. Keep learning. Do not stop learning. Okay. All the best. In the next video with next popular question, I'll be there. That is reverse of an array. We have done already. We will do reverse of a string. Okay. Good day, everyone. Bye-bye.